Can you solve this? Let's learn how to evaluate 40 to the power of 40 divided by 20 to the power of 20 simply using the laws of indices. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics content. Now let's solve this. To solve this, I want you to recall that we should be able to simplify this such that we'll have a common value for the numerator and the denominator, as that way we can be able to simplify. So from the numerator, we have the power to be 40. So this can give us what? We'll have 40 to the power of 20 plus 20 is going to give us 40, right? So we're going to take that to be that, and this will be 20 to the power of 20. This solution will give us what? Now the reason why I did that is to easily simplify the numerator. Now recall a law of indices that if I have a to the power of x plus y, this can be equal to a to the power of x multiplied by a to the power of y, right? So that can be simplified to give us 40 to the power of 20 multiplied by 40 to the power of 20, and this can be divided by 20 to the power of 20, right? Now when you simplify this, we are going to simplify this to give us 40 to the power of 20 divided by 20 to the power of 20, right? And this can be multiplied by 40 to the power of 20. Great. Now, if you come to see this aspect, you come to see that the numerator and the denominator has the same what? Power. So recall the law of indices that if I have a to the power of x divided by, even if this is b to the power of x, as long as they both have same power, this can be a divided by b all to the power of x. So that expression will simply give me 40 divided by 20 all to the power of 20, and this will be multiplied by 40 to the power of 20. Great. Now if we simplify this, we are going to have this to clear this, and then 4 divided by 2 will give us 2 to the power of 20, right, multiplied by 40 to the power of 20. And what will this give us? We have same powers. Recall this law of indices. If you have x to the power of n multiplying y to the power of n, this can be equal to xy to the power of what? N. So that expression is simply going to give me 2 multiplied by 40 all to the power of 20. So that expression will now give me the solution to be 4 times 2 is going to be 80 to the power of 20. Now, many can look at this expression and say, yeah, I can simplify this to a simpler term. Of course, we can simplify this to a simpler term if you try using some mathematical method. But for now, 80 to the power of 20 is the solution we've gotten, and we are going to leave it at that. If you did enjoy watching this math solution, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics content. Thanks so much for watching, and bye bye for now.